Hi and welcome to today's video. I just thought I'd hop on and show you the 4 paintings I've done with my watercolour students this month. So we start off in week 1 with this cute little spring Glam. So he's really sweet. We did some daffodils and a softened background technique that you can see, cloudy sky and nice bright foliage. And really soft, hopefully you can see on the camera, we've managed to create this effect to get the fur on the lamb, the hair, which has worked out quite nicely for us. So that was week 1. Week 2, a totally different subject altogether, and we painted this boat. So very limited colour palette, as you can see, and it was all about the detail in that painting and also the reflections on the water, which created quite a nice composition. And week 3, we did this beautiful grape tit, and you can see the pine cones in the foreground there. And the following morning I decided to add some colour in the background, which worked quite nicely, so I pulled out some of the blue and some of the yellow of the bird and reflected that in the background as well. And finally, last night we did a rose. So again, different subject matter. I like to keep all my students challenged, and this was quite tricky actually. We had to work in layers to create glazes on the rose. The rose is actually a white rose, as you can see, on a really dark background, so that contrast works really nicely across the painting there. So hopefully you like some of those paintings that I've done with my students. I shall be doing some more lessons later on in the year locally in Swadlincote, so look out for notifications about those upcoming lessons. I am in the middle of moving house, so I might go quiet for a few weeks. I've got quite a lot on my plate, plus I also have an ongoing project with a company in Burton, and I'll be working over the next few weeks on that too, so I shall be posting progress paintings and drawings for you to keep you updated. If you'd like to sign up to my monthly newsletter, my March newsletter is coming out very soon, a little bit later than normal, but things are getting put on the back burner a little bit with everything that's going on. So if you want to sign up for my newsletter, head across to my website, rebeccajarman.com, and you'll see at the bottom of the home screen there's a sign up section. Also, if you explore my website, occasionally there'll be a little pop-up that you'll notice. You could sign up via that as well. Okay, hope you're all well. I'll see you soon.